good, y'all? Welcome back. Let's get into it. And we're back. Let me grab the VR, move that out the way. Today we have bada boom. This. See, I was going to Virginia recently just to, back to school shopping. So, while I was going back to school shopping, who knows what that looks like these days, because COVID done messed up everything. So, this, as you can see, Simpsons Vans collaboration. Really wanted at least one pair, but got two, so real good. But I was afraid that I wasn't ever gonna have it because the ones I really wanted, the main ones, the Barto pair, sold out in my size. Sucked hard. I was hoping they were gonna come back and restock because they started restocking stuff weirdly. It was kind of creepy. Also, I wanted the Barto bag. I actually got that video on the way soon. If you've watched late enough, check the description. I might have a link to it. But yeah, I wanted to get these. So, luckily, I went to Journey and I knew Journey had it. Just had no idea if they would actually carry my size, because chances of actually having my size kind of slim. I'm a size 10, but the amount of stuff that I want but sells out in a matter of seconds, or sells out real fast and they never have it in my size again, happens to me way too often. So I got scared that I would never see it again, but I made my peace with it. So when I found out they actually had the full collection, that's how I got the second pair, because they had the full collection. Oh yeah, shout out to whoever helped me at Journey, because they found the shoes I wanted, and they came back with suggestions too. So I got the second pair, the Itchy and Scratchy pair, that I'll link in the description and maybe the cards later once that video comes out. But yeah, as you can tell by now, I've been talking about the Barto, the Skate Lows. I got this in a 10.5. This thing was held to June 5th. Yeah, I got this like right after everything really dropped, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, this thing has some really nice detailing on it, like that the Springfield nuclear plant right there. We got the classic family home. Good old Nat Flanders on the side. Too many people go in and out of this house. Sometimes it doesn't exist, sometimes it's there. Too much stuff happens. I liked when we had the extended episode where it was Sideshow Bob over here though, because that was a pretty good episode. Wasn't one of the best ones, but yeah, it was pretty good. I know people don't like the newer episodes. I'd say it's lost its soul, lost all its class. But who cares? I like the newer stuff. There was a few seasons where I was like, y'all kind of pushing it. Y'all really need to go back to some of the older stuff, because this ain't it. But yeah, at the top, as you saw earlier, has the iconic clouds, Simpsons, everything is nice and beautiful. This dent is the only problem with this packaging. We got good old Moe's and King Toots music store. You know, they had to put Laura Ladd donuts on here. And of course, our good old favorite cop. Of course, he's parked there. Let's see. Let's check at the bottom. Oh, that's cool. These are my first pair of Vans, so I may get some things wrong. I don't know everything. So on the back, they have a nice conversion sheet. About U.S. infants, unisex, toddlers, kids, boys, women, men. Really cool. Alright, there you go. That should pretty much give you some good information on conversions and UK, EU, and centimeters. Yeah, gives you pretty good conversion sizes. Kind of cool. But yeah, they got the Simpsons 20th Century Fox logo on there. Good old Matt Groening. Make sure he put his name on that packaging somewhere. 100% recycled paper. That's cool. Vans logo. Yeah. So let's crack into this thing. When you lift this up, you go straight from the family couch into the box. Go on this side, boom. Right there, there's some more clouds. And you can see, like right here, the clouds are carried on into the sides. Real cool. But let's see. Let's see what we got for El Barto. Alright. These feel really great. And we got the one on this side with the brick. Bart on the back with a spray can. Obviously running away from another crime. I don't know why it's like this. It might be on every van, I'm not sure. It just looks really weird. I could swear I've seen a few places where it's just flat. It might just be because they need it like this. Or they might have just messed up in manufacturing, I'm not sure. We got just this Bart's normal ensemble with the blue, the orange, and his yellow skin. Right here we got the blue and yellow to match his shorts and skin, because everybody knows about Bart. Everybody who ever thinks about Bart thinks about him and his shorts. Mainly because his catchphrase is "eat my shorts," so makes sense why they would have the detailing. He don't vandalize my shoes. Ooh. So yeah, this is what we're sitting at. We got the spray cans right there. Inside, tagging. We got Springfield vans, real cool. Yeah, it shows that it's 10.5. That's what I got. Yeah, they got the vans right there. Real cool lacing. I just recently found out this is actually a sticker. So actually, I'm gonna do something. This is where I hold all my records, but across this I slap different stickers. Like up here I got one for this comic shop me and my sister went to in Charlotte. That's where she goes to school. Yeah, this is my first turntable. Got nothing on this back side, so I'm gonna grab El Barto real quick. Grab this one. Oh, wow. There we go. About to see. So I'm just gonna carve up this crossley with the van off the wall. So that should be good for now. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to the type material right here. Real cool. Getting up our toes here. We got nice yellow tips, yellow laces. They were, yeah, as I've already stated, they were down here earlier, so you can lace them up any ways you want. I just wanted to do the normal lacing, see how they'll look. I'm gonna make it so it looks a lot better than what it is. Just did this purpose of review. So yeah, it's really cool looking. And then inside the box is just normal cardboard. But yeah, there's the sky detailing. Nothing else too major. So yeah, this has been the shoe. Put this back in. I'm gonna do some B-roll. Show y'all how these are gonna look. Well, different outfits and stuff. Mainly it's gonna just be pant shots because I don't have a shirt to really go with it. I have a few different pants that could look good with this. Tell me what y'all think. Okay. Come on. Diva. Diva. Come on. Diva. Where are you going? Diva. Diva. Yeah. Alright. Okay. That's for blooper. Yep. Diva. Okay, hold on.